Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
My uncle, you must have visited Dvāraka. In that holy place are our friends and well-wishers, the descendants of Yadus, who are always wrapped in the service of the Lord Sri Krishna. You might have seen them or heard about them. Are they all living happily in their abodes? The particular word, Krishna Devtar, those who are always wrapped in the service of Lord Krishna, is significant. The Yadavs and the Pandavs, who are always wrapped in the thought of the Lord Krishna and his different transcendental activities, were all pure devotees of the Lord like Yudhiṣṭhir. Yudhiṣṭhir left home in order to devote himself completely to the service of the Lord, but the Pandavs and the Yadavs were always wrapped in the thought of Lord Krishna. Thus there is no difference in their pure devotional qualities. Either remaining at home or leaving home, the real qualification of a pure devotee is to become wrapped in the thought of Krishna favorably, knowing well that Lord Krishna is the absolute personality of Godhead. Kams, Jarasandh, Shishupal and other demons like them were also always wrapped in the thought of Lord Krishna, but they were absorbed in a different way, namely unfavorably, or thinking him to be a powerful man only. Therefore, Kams and Shishupal are not on the same level as pure devotees like Yudhiṣṭhir, the Pandavs and the Yadavs. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir was also always wrapped in the thought of Lord Krishna and his associates at Dvāraka. Otherwise he could not have asked all about them from Yudhiṣṭhir. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir was therefore on the same level of devotion as Yudhiṣṭhir, although engaged in the state affairs of the kingdom of the world.